we have already discussed abstract nouns, and you know that they are names of things that are not concrete. They name things that we cannot see, hear, touch, taste or smell. So they name qualities, feelings, states, concepts or ideas or actions. They usually do not have any plural form. So words like beauty, honesty, bravery, which refer to qualities, are abstract nouns. Similarly, words like sadness, cheerfulness, anger, which refer to feelings, are also abstract nouns. Words like childhood, friendship, which refer to states, thought, flight, behavior, which refer to actions, and words like freedom, justice, dream, which refer to ideas, are all abstract nouns. So if I say spending time with my grandchildren gives me great pleasure, so pleasure here is showing a feeling which is not concrete, hence this is an abstract noun. My father is a very patient man. Here patient is describing my father, so patient is an adjective. But if I say my father has a lot of patience, I'm actually telling the same thing in a different way. Here patience is referring to the name of a quality that my father has, and so this is an abstract noun. So what do we see? Abstract nouns can be formed from adjectives. So patient is an adjective and patience is an abstract noun formed from the adjective. Let us look at a few more examples. So healthy is an adjective, but health is an abstract noun formed from healthy. Free is an adjective, but the abstract noun formed is freedom. Long is an adjective and the abstract noun formed from long is length. Similarly, kind, kindness, ill, illness, strong, strength. Now let us try to do this exercise. Form abstract nouns from the following adjectives. Vacant, humble. So if vacant is the adjective, what will be our abstract noun formed from vacant? It will be vacancy. Humble is the adjective, and what will be our abstract noun formed from humble? It will be humility. Now let us look at this sentence. My plants in the pots do not grow well. Here grow is referring to an action, so it is a verb. But if I say my plants in the pots do not have a good growth, then the word growth here refers to the name of an action. It is not concrete. So this word growth is an abstract noun. So what do we see here? That abstract nouns can be formed from verbs also. So grow is a verb and growth, which is an abstract noun, is formed from the verb grow. Let us look at a few more examples. So we have obey, which is a verb, and we have obedience, which is an abstract noun. We have advise, which is a verb, and advise, which is an abstract noun. Note that the verb has an S, whereas the abstract noun has a C in its spelling. Behave is a verb and behavior is an abstract noun. Think is a verb and thought is an abstract noun. Now you also know that thought is the past tense form of the verb think, Now don't get confused. See its usage in the sentence and then decide if it's an abstract noun or not. Laugh is a verb and laughter is an abstract noun. Now remember that laughter is an exception of the abstract nouns which we can hear. We know that abstract nouns we cannot hear, but laughter is an exception because we can hear it. Lose is a verb and loss is an abstract noun. Now let us try to form abstract nouns from the following verbs. The verbs given to us are expect, discover. So expect has the form expectation as its abstract noun, whereas discover is discovery. Now let us look at this example. Jill has been performing since she was a child. So child here is a common noun. But if I say Jill has been performing since her childhood, then childhood is a word which is showing the name of a state. So this word childhood is an abstract noun. And how has it been formed? We see that it has been formed from the common noun child. So we see that abstract nouns can also be formed from common nouns. Let us look at a few more examples. Friend is a common noun and friendship is an abstract noun. Member is a common noun. Membership is an abstract noun. Leader is another common noun and leadership is an abstract noun. Mother is a common noun, but motherhood is an abstract noun. Neighbor is another common noun and neighborhood is an abstract noun. Patriot is a common noun and patriotism is an abstract noun. Now you will note that abstract nouns can be formed from common nouns generally by adding ship or hood or ism to them. Form abstract nouns from the following common nouns. We have infant, hero. So what is the abstract noun formed from infant? It is infancy, and from hero it is heroism. So we see that infancy is an example where we have not used either hood or ship or ism to make an abstract noun. Fill in the blank with an abstract noun formed from the given word. There is lot of dash in my grandmother's advice, and the word given to us is wise. So what is the abstract noun of the word wise? It is wisdom. So our sentence will read, there is lot of wisdom in my grandmother's advice. Fill in the blank with an abstract noun formed from the given word. Sanya takes dash in her paintings, and the word given to us is proud. So can you tell me the abstract noun form of the word proud? Yes, it is pride. So our sentence reads, Sanya takes pride in her paintings. So what did you learn today? Today you have learned a very important thing. Not only do you know what an abstract noun is, but today you have learned that how we can form abstract nouns from adjectives or from verbs or from common nouns. So now if you come across various adjectives and verbs and common nouns, try to form abstract nouns and use them in your sentences. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at DeltaStep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So learning at DeltaStep is not just fun and easy, it is also rewarding. So register for free now